From the lively football fields of Lagos to the roaring crowds of Abuja, sports in Nigeria have always been more than just a game. They are a celebration of culture, unity and passion. This is a land where every match tells a story, every athlete embodies a dream, and every photograph captures the essence of victory. Over the years, Nigeria's sports industry has grown from a national pastime to a significant player on the global stage. Football, athletics, and other sports have become a heartbeat that resonates across the nation, inspiring countless fans and aspiring athletes. In this vibrant arena, sports photography stands as a crucial bridge between the athlete's extraordinary feats and the audience's awe. In Nigeria, this genre of photography has evolved dramatically, capturing the essence of athletic prowess and the raw emotion of the sport. Before this set of storytellers, there was a generation that set the stage, that held the torch high and illuminated the path for others to follow. Meet Mr. Akeem, a man whose name is synonymous with sports photography in Nigeria. Mr. Akeem has captured the very essence of Nigerian sports, immortalizing moments of glory, struggle, and triumph.
My name is Akeem Olaosho. I'm a photographer. I started this photography year 2000. And up to today, I'm still doing it. When we start from Olubadan Stadium during the time of Shooting Stars match. I used to cover their match. Then from there, I started going through this youth form competition. As at year 2000, we are moving on, covering Nigerian League, Julius Berger, Rangers, Enyimba, Kano Pillar, and up to today, I'm still doing it. The first event that I cover is National Sports Festival in year 2000 at Bauchi. I started with this Canon camera. It's manual camera, not digital camera that we are using today. So we used to lay film on it. When we open the camera, then we slot the film, and this is the film that we use at that time. And after that, and I moved to Canon. Another Canon camera is automatic one. You just put the film, and when you on it, it will roll. That means the film is intact. Then after that, we move to the next one, which is where people were using now, which is Canon. Also, this is all about the accreditation that I did during the time I started my work, and this is an Edo year 2000 and 2002. You can see it. This is another one, and this is Koja too. I was at Koja and the Gateway 2005. My best event is Edo 2002. When I saw my byline, I'm also happy, and I won't say anything. I will be just looking at them because they don't know who is who that covered this match. People, even if it is only those who knows me very well that can say, they saw your paper, they saw your name on the paper. You are the one covered this. You are the one that covered this. And I will be looking at them. I will be, I won't be able to say anything because I will just be happy. I love sports, and that's why even football, personally, I love it. I have a passion for football, and that's why you see me always. Even when you ask my wife, she told you, why are you going to field? You don't see anything. You always carry your bag. You are going to Adamasingba. You are going to Liberty Stadium. You are doing this. And you are not. You come home with nothing. And I'm happy because it is my hobby, because I love it, and that's why I used to eat. So anytime they say they want to play any match, I will make sure I went there. I left Ibadan, going to Abeokuta, going to Kano, going to Kaduna, going to Bauchi, going to so many places in Nigeria without collect kobo from anybody. I'll go on my way.
As Nigeria's sports industry continues to flourish, embracing new talents and innovations, the role of photography remains integral in documenting and celebrating these advancements. Canon Nigeria is committed to supporting this growth, investing in technology and partnerships that empower local photographers and athletes. Through workshops, sponsorships, and state-of-the-art equipment, Canon aims to fuel the passion that drives this vibrant sector.
We realize that there's a gap between the sports photography creative in Nigeria with the right tools and the right equipment to use for sports photography. So what we've done is to ensure that they have a taste, a hands-on experience with the right tools and the right gears for sports photography. And we as Canon, our philosophy of QSA, which means working together for the common good, we want to ensure that we can collaborate and partner with sports photography in this sector.
As we look to the future, we honor those who have paved the way and embrace the new horizons that lie ahead. In every snapshot, in every frame, the spirit of Nigerian sports lives on, captured through the lens of those who dedicate their craft to preserving our most cherished moments. Canon Nigeria, empowering